are off. We have so much in the back. We had to put Finn on my lap, which we don't love to do, but we had to. We are gonna go put all of this on the patio, get the patio all officially done.
Yep.
Except for the planters, but that will come.
Yeah, I mean, there will be some decorations that we don't have yet. We have been so busy with getting our own house ready for this party we're having on Saturday in 2 days.
It's Thursday.
It's Thursday right now. It has been, I think, 3 weeks since we've been out to the house?
Yeah, I think this is one of the longest times it's been since we've been out to the house.
Yes.
Everything's been great. Guests have been happy. Cleaners have been happy. So we're happy.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll have a good sunset tonight so I can take some new photos and get some great footage for you guys of the patio done, because I felt like in the video that when we finished it, it was like
sad.
It was like high noon and the shadows were so harsh and it just didn't look in all of its glory.
Yeah.
So we want you to experience it how guests will experience it at sunset. That's the goal for today. And then we're gonna drive back tonight.
Yep, because we got more work to do on our house in LA to get ready for Saturday and to just be done for life. Like, just regular life, not for life, but just for our everyday life. We'll have the house all done.
Done for now.
Our everyday life,
Yeah.
living, and that the house in Joshua Tree will be kind of done too for a minute.
One step closer, and then we can start planning
The project we've teased.
the project
multiple
we've
times.
been teasing multiple times that we just haven't had the balls to kind of dive in on.
And of course now it's like really hot, and that's probably when we're gonna start. We got some new bookings, which has been great. July's looking good so far. August will probably fill up the weekends too.
A couple in October.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You ready, Jones? Yeah.
Hi, house. The bunnies ate this entire plant. There was a plant here. It was like that size, but they ate it. This cactus is growing like crazy.
All right, so it's been like 3 weeks since we've been here. Usually we're here like every couple weeks, like 2 weeks max, just to check on things. This is not the color that this was the last time we were here.
Probably covered in oil or something.
I assume. The tea kettle's dirty. There was some soap like stains in the shower, which you probably wouldn't even notice, but
Some
I have a Hawkeye.
men's hair stuff under the sink.
And I went into the clean room and opened the blinds, and the front bedroom window was cracked, which maybe someone tried to get in, but we have cameras, so we would have seen something. Most likely it was a guest that left it open and the girls forgot to close the window.
But it's just sucks because there's so many bugs in this area that
And there's a massive moth on the floor now. Who knows what else is in here? That's fun. And our garage door was unlocked, and I think that's, but outside of that, because we have cameras on the house, that being unlocked is like my shoulders are raised.
Yeah.
Because that is our dirty little secret.
Yeah.
You know?
Within the next couple of weeks, it is my goal to come here and clean the garage out and just have it done. But I need like at least a week of staying here to just go through it all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These little trips don't cut it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just being OCD.
So we're about to start setting up the furniture out here on the patio and took a quick look at the cowboy pool. Oh, look, there's a ball under there. And for some reason, it's not draining. So this is priority number one. Before I went and took apart this whole thing, I was trying to think like, okay, maybe there's just a clog. Like we've had some dogs here, you know, like maybe the plug was just clogged. So what I did was I took the hose and I screwed it into the drain and just turned it on high and it flushed out whatever was in the hose, and now it's draining. So hopefully this will work. This water is really dirty. It's gonna need to drain, and then we're gonna need to clean it out. Fingers crossed we can make that happen in the next 5 hours. Hopefully this will drain and we can clean it out. Oh my gosh. This is not what I wanted to do today, but it is what it is. Oh, remember we were telling you about dog poop? Look at this. Poop. When you allow pets, that's what happens. You got to pick it up because it's got to look clean. It doesn't look good. We got
Heyo.
scissors.
We'll see. We've been told that this may not be a good idea.
Yeah. The wind might do things to this that we don't want, but
The wind might take this off onto the acreage and we
for
may never see it
photos,
again.
we're gonna try and put rocks around it.
Heyo.
That should be good. Wait. Rugs USA
Is this Rugs USA?
or Wayfair?
I think it's Rugs USA. No? Yeah, it's Rugs USA. Oh man, yeah, these are gonna need to be mushed down.
Well, we're gonna put chairs on every corner. So you wanna do it long ways like that?
I don't think it can go the other way. We can try.
This could be nice too. Like, if we put the 2 chairs.
Then there's all this space. Pots are probably gonna be really expensive.
We have rocks.
No, I'm talking about pots for like back there.
Oh, we'll get there. That's very white. This color looks nice.
Yeah, it looks like it matches the table perfect.
Just making sure that's it.
Oh, I gotta put it together?
Yes, my love.
No.
No. Wow.
Wow.
Let's see, I'm starving.
Yeah.
Let's try this puppy out.
Oh, you want to eat the pizza on our brand new white? Oh God.
Let the guests take all the joy. Oh, yeah.
We have so much room. We could definitely get the sofa and have it sit back and be right on the edge of that. So it kind of spaces it out a little more, you know? Because we have so much more room than we think we do. I was worried we didn't.
These chairs, definitely not the vibe. But we think that it needs to be pushed back because there's so much room back there. So we're gonna try that right now and see if it helps it. We got the cowboy pool all cleaned out. There's a little bit of sand down still here, but we got it all figured out and drained, so that's good. The sun, I mean, come on, look at that, guys. That's amazing. Now, I am taking some photos. As soon as the sun goes behind this hill, this will look amazing. So it's time to take some photos of that. I needed to get a little bit darker in order to get the lights on the back of the house to really pop in the camera. We wanted to take you guys back real quick to April when we started this project. This is what it looked like before. We didn't really use it, our guests didn't really use it, and we always knew we wanted to do something awesome with this area, so we put in that giant concrete foundation first, and then we started building the patio cover. And guys, look, this is how it looks now. Such a big upgrade to our home for not only our guests, but future value to our property. Here are some of those photos that I took that we've added to our listing, and we are just so excited that this project is semi-done. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a short one, but we have so much more coming up, so stick around because there's a lot more, and a lot more tips and things we're going through, so thank you for watching.